This PEMDAS question looks easy, but it's tricky. Can you solve it? If yes, comment your answer below. And if you're stuck, watch till the end. I'll show you how to solve PEMDAS problems step by step. All right. Now let me walk you through a step-by-step how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. All right. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and the stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. And this is our final answer to this problem.